Okay, so one of the goals, the secondary goals of this prototype project was to get rid of a bunch of scrap wood that I have. So I have a section up here that's a bunch of small scraps. Down there it gets a little bit larger. There's some stuff that I don't know where I picked this stuff up, right? We all have this habit, or not all of us, but anyhow, so what I wanted to do on this one was, this is for prototype number 2. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in the bowels of this shed, or this shack, if I can get back in there. And I am going to, from stuff that's down there, or especially this stuff up here, which is short, and most of that is hardwood. And there's scraps, cut-offs from whatever. So I'm basically going to pick anything that I can get 3 inches wide out of, maybe a little bit more. I can handle just 3, but if it's a bit more, the better. And then also that I don't have to work it too much, but that's about 10 inches long. So for instance, like this piece right here, pardon the lighting, but if I grab it, look at that, it's got a hole in it. Oh, I don't know, that's from a previous tenon job. And I think that's, I don't know, I think that's oak, okay? And can I get 10.5 or 10 3/4 out of it? Yes, it's like 16.5. I can get, if I get 4 1/4, and then it's 1 3/8. So I'm going to pick out a bunch of that stuff that I know I can get 1-inch boards out of, at least 3 inches in width, and 10 3/4 length, and then we'll see what we can come up with. I should put gloves on. I just got a sliver. All right, so here's what I ended up with. I don't know what that is. It's, who knows, right? But yes, I can get the width. It's getting pretty close on the 1 inch because it's got some bowing, but it's got some cool stuff going on. Here I have some wormed, I think they call it, wormy. And that's, well, I think it'll probably end up being oak. I picked up, this is maple, really tight maple. That's probably 8/4. I don't know what that is, got a number on it. That's ash. This, I think, is cherry, believe it or not. And if I can get 10 3/4, yep, I can. Look at that piece. Okay, can I get 10 3/4 by 3, 10 3/4 here to here? And if I go that way, yes, I can. So I can get 10 3/4 out of that. That I know is cherry, rough sawn. That is oak, it's got a hole in it, it's okay. This, I don't think I can get 1 inch out of that, otherwise it was kind of cool. Nope, can't quite get 1 inch, so I don't think I'm gonna fight with that right now. This is 8/4, I could resaw it and just get 1 inch maybe, but I'm okay with that. So I've got enough here to go on for now, and we'll see what I can do with that. Seriously, Mike, you gonna take that on? Okay, so what it is, it's, boy, I would say that's red oak, and it's 2 1/4. So by the time I resaw that, I'll still be able to get a 1 inch and a 1 inch. It's 32 inches long, so I can make a, this is a prototype, so I can make a rail out of that. And then I'm wondering if I can keep some of that raw edge. It's going to be tough, but I'll see if I can do that. So basically, I have my wood cut out for me. Not really, I have my wood, but I'm the one that's going to have to cut it out for me. I don't know, that just came to me. All right, but, so I'm going to now start on prototype number 2, which focuses on vertical boards to use for the web instead of horizontal. And I'm not sure yet if I'm going to go solid vertical or if I'm going to space them every 3 inches. So let's just see what I've got here and then I'll decide from there.